Oh, there's a grill right here. There's like burgers and stuff there too. There's burgers and pizza.
I'm really afraid to fill up my water. I know.
What's up, guys? So we're out here. So there's a place called Sliced Pizza. I kind of ate it already, but it was pretty good. Pepperoni's way better than the seasonal one. This is like some kind of like board cheese with like ham and stuff, but and artichokes. It's kind of weird. The lady just came back, brought some what? All kinds of soups.
Yeah, soups and
Some pasta.
and fried fish. It looked kind of good.
Fried fish.
And an Arnold Palmer, I think.
How you guys feeling today?
Freaking fantastic. Dude, this is a good size.
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Is that the perfect size for you?
That's the size that makes me intimidated.
Okay, great.
And I also got a BLT right here.
Nice. How are you?
Good. Crispy bacon. Cheddar cheese, kind of sharp. Patty. I think it's better if it's like a little bit more rare. It's pretty overcooked, but it's alright.
Water.
Need some ketchup. Put some ketchup on it. Dude, look at this cool view that we're sitting by. Right by the pool. You see the water flowing.
I want to be reincarnated in a dog.
Really? Oh, dogs have.
Kind
It
of dog,
depends.
a lion. Kind
If
of
you
dog.
have-
Like one of those booper ones so I can be taken care of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not like those street Skid Row dogs. Dude, do you think that like those Skid Row dogs are even suffering? They don't even care.
They don't care.
They're like whatever.
They're just
dude.
like the homeless people.
Yeah, that's
They're
true.
like,
Yeah,
I
someone
wanna
loves
be
them.
free.
Sometimes they treat them better than other people because
That's true,
they have
yeah.
all the time in the world to pet them. Right? They're gonna go job.
Yeah. It's just you don't eat as well. Like you don't get like bison meat or
He's
anything.
like, I don't need to
They don't know.
Yeah.
I need to entertain.
They usually eat the same shit every day anyways.
Actually, it's probably more delicious. They're eating human food, right? Food
Yeah,
that's been
they
trashed.
get like fucking street hot dog with bacon. and, they don't matter.
What was it, Lady and Tramp?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They-
Spaghetti
they-
from back Italian restaurants. Like, imagine like there's like a homeless dog that's like in what is it?
Oh,
Hey, what's up, homie?
How you guys doing?
We just woke
Kill
up.
it. Yeah. How about you? Have you been up for a little bit?
Okay, right now?
Yeah.
I've been up for a couple hours. It's weird, like my parents always act funny.
Hanging out with these amazing ladies. Hi.
Hello. How
Cheers,
you doing?
guys.
What? I think Princess Plus is worth it.
Yes.
What do you think?
Totally worth it.
Right? They like follow you around and like give you drinks.
Yes, it's amazing. A little short
Cheers,
thingy.
guys.
Cheers. That's cute.
That's a big shot.
Am I brown yet?
See? Poquito.
You're like brown, like right here in your culo. Oh. Why you have to? Oh, you have to show me physically.
Yeah, show the culo.
You have to go.
In case people didn't know what the
I don't know,
culo
you're trying
was,
to poke my ass.
the culo is down there.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Why does your neighbor keep leaving you?
Cheers.
Neighbor like from home or neighbor from
This is
here?
our friend from Ireland. They're on camera right now. This is my
Hi,
friend
Mike.
from- Hey, how you doing?
Having a good time
Awesome.
on our Cabo
You're on
cruise.
YouTube. Say hi, YouTube.
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
on YouTube.
Tell them make sure to subscribe.
Hi, YouTube.
Hey.
She has to do a wonderful thing, baby.
With the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, it's true that a hero lies in you.
Is that Moonstar?
She's VIP, excuse me, no
Oh,
camera.
sorry.
VVIP.
formal dinner right now, so we have to dress evening gowns and suit jackets and heels and whatever.
So if you like this content, make sure you're subscribed and click that notification bell if you like the content.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Oh, shrimp cocktail. And this is like a mango what?
Mango salad?
I should have taken a picture of the menu.
This is a quiche, right? Oh yeah, let me get some pepper.
Pepper?
Thank you.
Black pepper. Try this one.
This is potato soup.
Potato.
Loaded. That's what we had at the buffet.
Very viscous.
Okay, hold on. Needs salt or something.
It's all bland.
Yeah, let me try this baked potato soup.
Alright, we need some salt.
Oh.
We're gonna tailor it up right now.
Wow.
Oversalted?
It tastes like the ocean.
It happens.
Oh, okay. Definitely not having that one.
There are a lot of holes on here, so. Kind of light, but still kind of satisfies your soup thirst.
Soup thirst?
Yeah. That's all I have to say about that.
What do you say about that?
Alright, Forrest.
Yeah.
This is like a fettuccine, I think?
Tenderloin. Here, maybe this angle.
We're gonna do voiceover.
This angle.
Thank you. Chicken.
Oh,
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
That's very.
You guys are going. I asked them for smaller portions.
Look at these tired faces.
So sleepy.
Was dinner good?
dinner made me really sleepy.
Everyone's all tired though.
Really sleepy.
Are you saying something? Oh. I touched it. Cool boat nap.
Anyway.
Hi guys, sunglasses.
I'm good. Hostage.
Going on the camel adventure.
See, the first activity for us, we have to take the group of picture, the before and after, because I want to see at the end how many of you I get lost, okay? I can get lost 2 per day, okay? So please, let's stay all time together, my friends. For the second picture, you have to say tequila. Remember the best tequila?
So cute.
Oh my gosh. Are you ready?
Look at the stewardess.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost.
We just took some pictures of the camel named Hercules. That was so cool. But now we're gonna go to the restaurant in this Uber, they called it.
Alright. That's the VIP. See? Okay. The food is ready, but remember first activity, the pictures, okay? Do you like Mexican food?
Yes.
Oof, that's good because it's the only thing we have. If you don't like Mexican food, let me tell you something, you came to the wrong country. Okay? Mexican food. There we have a buffet, all included, different kind of salads, rice, beans, chicken mole, barbecue ribs. My grandma with the handmade quesadillas, the most traditional flavor water, beer, coffee, And on the table, they're gonna have a table for all of us, okay? So we are family here. They're gonna be on the same table. They're gonna be my name, Saul. So when you go back from the photo center, it's gonna be the second, maybe the third table, okay?
Okay.
There you go today. So verde?
La verde, la picante. La verde, por favor.
No, that's good.
Tuna salad, cactus salad, tomato, cressy, mixed salad. Bad. Pork or what?
Gracias.
Nada.
Thank you. Dude, this is so much food.
Yeah.
I'm so hungry.
Well, we had a choice about how much food we wanted, and
Not bad.
kind of doughy, but it's good. I like the idea of eating nopales, but every time I eat it, I just get kind of disappointed still. What?
No, it's kind of slimy.
Yeah, it was like weird. It was like slime.
Good.
Is this the Oaxacan cheese?
Mm-hmm.
And so, they give you so much. Alright, we're gonna finish eating and enjoy the meal. The orange looks good though. Yeah, I don't think I can. I think I'm gonna throw it up right now. It's gonna look that way.
The white tequila is the most simple, the most basic tequila that we have here in Mexico. And it's the one that the people use for the margaritas. The second one, it's tequila, but it's a different flavor. It's a different process. Let me explain you something, my friends. We have 4 or 5 different kind of tequilas. It doesn't matter what kind of tequila, but all kind of tequilas needs to be produced with the same plant. Blue agave. Blue agave is the only agave plant that can be used to produce tequila. The second tequila with the same percent of alcohol, just 35. Here we have mezcal. Mezcal, it's a smoky flavor. It's a different agave plant. 38% of alcohol. For the first one, you're gonna use lime. Second one, nothing. Solo. Mezcal goes with the orange. The last one, Saul, the bottle looks like you. It's not me. It's gonna be you, señoritas, 9 months after you drink it. That's a pregnant woman. This is an aphrodisiac liquor.
What?
Okay? 30% of alcohol, more than enough.